Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Recover Deleted Photos app and granting storage and media permissions. This is critical so the tool can access indexes and thumbnails. Once granted, make sure your phone is plugged in and on stable Wi-Fi to avoid interruptions and to speed downloads. Next, choose the exact album or folder you want scanned, and pick Deep Scan if you need more thorough recovery. Deep Scan reads leftover metadata and fragments, which increases chances of restoring high-quality images. Once the Deep Scan starts, you should monitor progress and keep the device awake so the scan completes without pausing. Large libraries take longer. As results appear, use the preview feature to distinguish full images from corrupted thumbnails. This saves time and storage. Then select multiple files with long press or batch select. Choose Restore to return items to the original album, or Export to save copies to cloud storage or a different folder, which preserves originals in case you need to reattempt recovery. To finish, verify restored images inside your Photos app. Confirm dates, resolution, and that files open correctly. If some photos are still missing, rerun the scan with alternate settings, like a shallower or alternate file type filter, or use Backup Scan to include hidden directories. If issues persist, connect the device to a PC and run the app's desktop recovery mode for deeper sector access. This often finds fragments the mobile scan misses. Remember, regular cloud backups prevent future data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.